G-code is basically lines of code which draws out the plans for any idea you may have. So there are infinite possibilities. You upload from a CAD system, or you can write the G-code yourself and you can make items like this. This was actually made with a 3D printer. It's called the IP. It's a docking station for an iPod.
Some opportunities that they have once they leave the Career Center in the engineering and science program is to work as an engineering technician in the engineering field. And also, ultimately, a lot of our students go on to either some sort of technical school, a 2-year degree, or a 4-year degree in the engineering field. We do try to get the students an opportunity in the engineering field while they're here. We try to get them out there and let them do a bit of job shadowing or an internship if we can get that for them.
My name is Emily Joyce, and I chose the Engineering Science Technologies program because I feel that it's the best possible option for me, because instead of just graduating with a high school diploma, I'll graduate with an engineering technology certificate. Currently in this program, we are working on making our greenhouse completely independent of electricity.
Some of the things that they learn is about solar, wind power, and fuel cells. Another area that we have worked in is biofuel technology and how to mix the fuel with regular diesel and run a 10 horsepower diesel engine on mixed fuel.
And with this program, I get a certificate for engineering. It'll last forever because engineering is a field that's not going to die.
Other students would enjoy this program because it's very hands-on, and instead of just designing products, we actually build them too.
Hi, my name is Mike Carell, and this is the Information System Support class. In this class, we work on computer repair and servicing, networking, where we set up networks for administration, working in servers like web page servers or file servers, working web page design, designing the pages and designing the websites you see every day, programming and graphics, both 2D and 3D and animation.
My name is Braxton Maddox. I'm taking information technology because I enjoy working on computers and doing programming. In this class, you'll learn how to design websites. You'll learn how to make programs that do basic stuff. You do graphic design, logos, and whatnot.
A lot of what you're doing here is real-life examples as much as we can find. We try to work with computers that come in every day that have problems with them, networking issues that come up here in the building, and we create new projects ourselves. Programming is a lot towards gaming or simulation. It seems like it's the most popular thing right now. And graphics is geared towards movies and gaming as well, gaming pieces. There are different career choices. There are a lot of areas here. You can be a computer service technician, be a network administrator, or someone who takes care of servers. You can work in programming for applications for the new mobile devices, for gaming industry, for most technology out there that deals with computers in industry. And the graphics and everything else seems to like it goes along with those. So there's a lot of different applications and areas that you can go into.
People may want to take this program like I did because they want to learn how to do stuff that would help them in the technology field, like working on computers and making the next big program that may be used on the iPad, the iPhone.
My name is Mr. Thayer. I teach building and property maintenance at the Scioto County Career Technical Center. The students that come into my program, they learn a variety of skills to do with construction. We do carpentry, electrical, plumbing. We also do outside lawn care, grounds maintenance. They also do building care, janitorial skills, running buffers and things like that. We have a competition that we go to and compete in that area.
Hi, my name is Justin Huffman. I'm in the Building Property and Maintenance class at Scioto Tech. Here, it's a 2-year program. When we get here, we use saws, drills, and we have a nice saw that goes down if you get your hand in it or it won't cut it. And we paint, we build stuff, we mow the lawn outside, and we trim, we weed eat. And when you leave this class, the jobs that you can do is janitor, lawn care.
They also learn, basics in the carpentry, electrical, plumbing skills. So when they leave here, they'll be able to go into many different fields. Any construction field as laborers, general laborers, and then they can also go into working at schools in the custodial field, grounds maintenance, and things like that.
When you graduate, you'll be go straight into the workforce. You'll be making good money. You'll learn everything you need to know in here to do out there.
Welcome to the Medical Office Management Program. My name is Mrs. Stewart, and I'm the instructor. The Medical Office Management Program prepares students to work in the medical office setting. The things that the students will be learning in this program is medical terminology, medical records, Medisoft, Microsoft Office, report formatting, anything that they need to know to go work and be successful in the medical office. There are many opportunities for completers of the Medical Office Management Program upon graduation. They can go and work at a hospital, at a nursing home, at an insurance company, as a receptionist, a clerk, or even an insurance biller and coder.
My name is Brianna Mullen. I chose this program because I want a career in healthcare. I felt that this program will help me get a jump start into a job after graduation, as well as help me with college. In this program, we learn business concepts, medical terminology, insurance, coding, and billing. Basically all of the skills needed to go work as an administrative assistant in a healthcare facility.
Some pathways from the program would be if they wanted to pursue a degree at a college in business administration or hospital administration, or they could either further their education into another health-related field such as nursing, because they'll receive medical terminology and things in this program that will also help them to go into that career path.
Students will like this program if they are interested in working in a healthcare facility as a billing clerk, or use this program as a pathway into college, seeking a business degree or healthcare related field.
This is the Allied Health program. In Allied Health, you learn a lot of things about different careers in healthcare. And specifically, you'll learn phlebotomy, which is how to draw blood, which is what the students are demonstrating. You also learn nurse assisting skills, and you can take your certification tests for nurse assisting and for phlebotomy, which gives you a good opportunity to be able to work in a healthcare area. You also learn a lot of things that would help you if you want to go on to any type of career in health. And there are over 250 careers in healthcare to think about. So if you're interested in working in healthcare in any way, I encourage you to consider the Allied Health program. We do a lot of hands-on. You practice the skills that you learn with mannequins, and then you also practice with real people. So if you're thinking about being a healthcare professional, think about enrolling in Allied Health.
So if you take the Allied Health career out here at the Career Center, then you will also be able to go out and get a job as a nursing assistant. And I have a lot of my junior students, once they pass their state test, then they are able to go out and actually work. And I've had students work their junior year and their senior year. Again, you also get certified in phlebotomy, and this allows you to go out and get a job as a phlebotomist. And you can find jobs in long-term care, the hospital, home health care, a physician's office. So it gives you a lot of choices there. Also, your senior year, you take patient care technician. And this is more advanced skills for students. And after you graduate from that, it combines all of your classes in the 2 years, and you can actually sit and get certified as a patient care technician after you're 18 and you graduated. So I really would encourage you, if you are interested in any way with healthcare, that this is a good start. And we hope that you choose us for your future.
Hi, my name is Brooke. I chose to take the Allied Health program because I want to do something in the health career field and make a difference in people's lives. Right now I'm studying phlebotomy, which is drawing blood, and I will take my certification test in December. You should consider enrolling into Allied Health because it's a good start for your career in your future.
In the welding lab, there's a vast array of career opportunities. In here we learn MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding, which is your three main processes. In those processes, you have your manufacturing, you have your construction, and you have more of your precision type welding that goes on with your exotic metals, titaniums, aluminum, and other stuff. The career opportunities in here are endless. I think our placement rate is way up in the upper 90s. We place most students that are eligible. Manufacturing right now across the country is on the boom. Anybody that can weld can work, and they can make good money in this area. I've had students go from everywhere to a local fab shop all the way to the ocean doing underwater welding.
My name is Austin Blevins, and I'm in the welding program. I chose this program because I know it's a good paying job. I understand that if you're willing to work, you're always going to have work. We do many different types of weldings in here. I'm almost through with stick welding. I've done MIG welding, and sooner or later I'll be doing TIG welding. I believe that if I do well in here, then I'm going to do well out there. I believe that other students should take this course because, first of all, it's a great class. You learn a lot. You will have work, and you have a great instructor teaching you, and it's really all around. You're going to have a good paying life.
In here, I place them anywhere from $10 an hour to $100,000 a year. So it's wide depending on where you want to go and how much money you want to make. There's work out there if you're willing to go find it, especially in the welding industry.
Hello, my name is Mr. Copley, Principal of Scioto County Career Technical Center. I hope you enjoyed viewing all of the programs we have to offer, and I look forward to seeing you here next year.